What if you could ditch those pesky monthly bank fees, earn a competitive interest rate on your everyday cash, and even get rewarded for your spending, all while enjoying top-tier security? Sounds like a dream, right? Well, for many Canadians, Wealthsimple Cash has become that reality. But as with any financial product, understanding the nitty-gritty of its fees and limits is crucial to truly optimize its benefits. In this comprehensive video, we're going to deep dive into everything you need to know about Wealthsimple Cash in 2025, from the transparent fee structure that sets it apart, to the various limits on transactions, and how you can leverage these details to make your money work harder for you. We'll cover everything from daily spending and ATM withdrawals to international transfers and direct deposits. So, whether you're a long-time Wealthsimple user looking for an update or someone considering making the switch, stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a crystal clear picture of what Wealthsimple Cash offers and how to maximize its potential. Let's kick things off by addressing the elephant in the room when it comes to traditional banking: fees. The sweet spot: $0 fees. One of the most compelling aspects of Wealthsimple Cash is its commitment to a no-fee model for many common banking activities. This isn't a promotional gimmick or a limited-time offer, it's a core tenet of their checking account. First and foremost, there are no monthly account fees. This is a significant departure from many traditional banks that charge anywhere from $10 to $30 a month just to hold an account, often with minimum balance requirements to waive those fees. With Wealthsimple Cash, you don't have to worry about maintaining a certain balance or jumping through hoops to avoid charges. This alone can save you a substantial amount of money over the course of a year. We're talking potentially hundreds of dollars directly back into your pocket. Beyond monthly fees, Wealthsimple Cash also boasts no everyday transaction fees. This means no charges for things like Interac e-transfers, bill payments, or debit card purchases. Interac e-transfers, in particular, can be a hidden cost with some banks, especially if you send them frequently. Wealthsimple Cash allows you to send and receive e-transfers freely, up to certain limits which we'll discuss shortly. Perhaps one of the most exciting fee waivers for anyone who travels or shops online internationally is the absence of foreign transaction (FX) fees. Most traditional credit and debit cards charge around 2.5% on purchases made in a foreign currency. Imagine buying something online from a U.S. retailer or using your card on vacation. That 2.5% adds up quickly. Wealthsimple Cash eliminates this fee entirely when you use your Wealthsimple Cash card for purchases or ATM withdrawals abroad. This is a massive win for anyone with global spending habits, effectively putting more of your money towards your actual purchases rather than bank charges. And what about those annoying ATM fees? While Wealthsimple doesn't own its own ATM network, they offer fee-free ATM withdrawals across Canada, and they'll even reimburse you for ATM fees charged by other providers, up to $5 per withdrawal. This means you can confidently withdraw cash from almost any ATM in Canada without worrying about getting dinged with an extra charge. It's a small detail, but it speaks volumes about their user-centric approach. So, in essence, the fee structure for Wealthsimple Cash is designed to be as minimal as possible, allowing you to keep more of your hard-earned money. Unpacking the limits, what you can do, and how much. While the fee structure is remarkably straightforward, understanding the limits associated with your Wealthsimple Cash account is equally important for managing your finances effectively. These limits are in place for security reasons and to comply with regulatory requirements. Let's break down some of the key limits. 1. Interac e-transfer limits. Wealthsimple Cash offers generous Interac e-transfer limits. For qualifying clients, you can send and receive up to $25,000 per day. This is significantly higher than what many traditional banks offer as a standard daily limit, making it incredibly convenient for larger transfers to friends, family, or for making significant payments. It's important to note that qualifying clients usually refers to those with a good account history and verified identity. 2. ATM withdrawal limits. While Wealthsimple reimburses ATM fees, there are still daily limits on how much cash you can withdraw. These limits can vary, but typically you'll find a daily withdrawal limit in the range of $500 to $1,000. If you anticipate needing to withdraw a larger sum, it's always a good idea to plan ahead or explore other options like sending an Interac e-transfer to someone who can provide cash, or using bill payments directly from your account. 3. Spending limits, debit card. For everyday purchases with your Wealthsimple Cash card, there are generally no tap limits when using your virtual card, and if you have the physical card, your spending limit will be tied to your available balance. However, daily spending limits for point-of-sale transactions exist for security reasons, usually in the range of several thousands of dollars. These limits are typically high enough for most daily spending needs, but it's something to be aware of for very large purchases. You can usually find your specific spending limits within the Wealthsimple app. 4. Deposit limits. When it comes to depositing money into your Wealthsimple Cash account, there generally aren't strict limits on the amount you can deposit. However, large deposits might be subject to review for security and anti-money laundering purposes. You can deposit funds via direct deposit, Interac e-transfer, or by linking an external bank account. Direct depositing your paycheck is particularly encouraged, as it can unlock additional benefits, which we'll cover next. 5. International transfer limits. Wealthsimple partners with Wise, formerly TransferWise, for international money transfers. While Wealthsimple doesn't directly set the limits for these transfers, Wise has its own set of limits that can vary depending on the country, currency, and transfer method. These limits are typically quite high, often in the tens of thousands of dollars or more for single transfers, but it's always best to check the Wise platform or through the Wealthsimple app when initiating an international transfer to see the specific limits for your chosen currency and destination. You'll also encounter a currency conversion fee when converting CAD to USD for investing, which ranges from 0% for transfers over $100,000 to 1.5% for transfers under $10,000. For direct international transfers, it's best to consult Wealthsimple's international transfer terms and conditions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.